Hi, this is P. Venkatraman Rao. My school friends know me by name PV Rao. I'm the general manager for Inox Jaswantpuri Mall, Nagpur. Currently, I'm sitting at my school, the favorite destination what we had, SFS school. It's so tough times for all. It's pandemic going on. The most shocking part is my school is so silent, and which is very, very sad for me to see, in fact. The time we were in school, we really had a ball, but looking at the kind of silence what is there right now at my school, it actually makes me feel sad because since KG1 when I took my admission, I always heard a lot of noise, students hanging around and enjoying at the basketball ground or the football ground, but now I'm not seeing anyone. So it's actually saddening, that is the reason. See, a below average student like me, I think when I was in school, I never realized where I was. But since the time I came into the industry, like when you go to college and then you go to industry, that's the time when you realize, what you have got from your school. So it is always said, that if the roots are, good of any tree, it will always give you better fruits. So that's the thing, my roots are SFS. So SFS has given me a stronger root. So currently, I think whatever I'm exploring in life, it's all because of SFS school. So the biggest foundation, what I feel, with SFS school, they always teach you to become a good human being. I think that was the biggest thing. Second thing, there was never ever any kind of a discrimination in our school. So we were friends. We are still friends. It's been about more than 20 years that we passed out a 10th standard. But it has been I think the kind of culture what we had. Second thing, the way our teachers and our mentors taught us in school, I think that is anonymous. It's not only me. It's been I think thousands and thousands of students now exploring themselves across the globe, and they are from SFS school doing wonders. So it itself shows greatness about the school. Professionally, it has worked out really well. The reason behind the kind of personality what our school gives to the students. Similarly, with the same I got as well the time I passed out my 10th standard. So basically it's the kind of personality building role what our school does. That is tremendous. That is really appreciable, and that is the only reason, because see, I come down from a hospitality background. We need to have personality. Second thing, you need to be soft spoken, you need to be kind. And all these things, kindness was always there in our school. So our teachers always, took it in a way that we should be kind enough. We talk about our prayers, you talk about our anthem, everything taught, kindness and humanity. So basically, that's the only reason I feel, that has made me what I am today. See, the only message is there have been, thousands and millions of students which has come out from SFS school. It's been more than 150 years old school. This school has given real wonderful kids, people are really exploring and really done so well, not only into political background, into sports background, into so many things, at this moment of time, when we look back and analyze. So I think a school which is 150 years old has given so many geniuses across the world. Why shouldn't the parents should have a single bit of doubt, to admit their kids to the school? So it is one of the best. I believe, parents should move forward and get the admissions at our school. The first memorable moment which comes to my mind was when I was in first standard. The first time I participated in the spoon and lemon race. That was the thing. Then when we came to fifth standard, we started playing football professionally from our school. I was a part of Red House. So, played football till 10th standard, from 5th standard till 10th standard. So that was 5 years I played football for my house. Well, so that was again a wonderful part. Those are the memorable moments. Another memorable moment is the time when we passed out, when we had a farewell. I think that was the most emotional moment, which I felt like now the school will not be a part from my daily routine. So I believe that is the most memorable moment when I was leaving the school, and the day when I realized, boss, this is it now. The journey for 12 years has come to an end today. talking about hospitality management, it is like the time I was doing hotel management, and I started doing in 2004 and passed out in, I did it in 2000. I joined in 2000 and passed out in 2004. Well, that time the industry was quite smaller. It was only related to hotels, and even the other retails and other hospitality sector was quite small. Now it has gone really big. The industry has gone so wide, you won't even imagine people from insurance industry want us. There are industries which not even used to think about, even had a thought about, people from hospitality. Now they want hospitality people because they know man management, they know people management. So the opportunities and the industries have really gone big. So in that ways, I think joining hospitality industry is one of the best thing. Personally, if you want to ask me, I joined hospitality industry. It was a fluke. I took my admission in Sindhu Mahavidyalaya first year. I did my 1 month classes also went off. Suddenly it was there in the newspapers. I thought, let's apply for it. I applied for it, and finally I went into the industry. And today this is the 17th year running in the industry now, and I can say that the best thing happened to me was I did hotel management that time. I believe something else, I don't know where I would have even stood. So it's a great industry. You can definitely explore. And most importantly, it actually grows up your personality as well.